Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in the Rajouri district today, taking the number of the martyred youth to two since yesterday. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during the ongoing cordon and search operation in Kalakot area of the district. The troops martyred one youth in the same area yesterday. Indian troops continue their massive cordon and search operation in the Rajouri district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Forces personnel had launched the CASO in different villages of the Kalakot area of the Rajouri district on Sunday, and the searches were still going on. All parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the brutal tactics being used by Narendra Modi-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir to suppress the Kashmiris' struggle for right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar strongly condemned the termination of the government employees from their services. India is attempting to defame Pakistan and indigenous freedom movement of the people of the occupied Kashmir by resorting to malicious propaganda. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said India has activated its stooges within and outside the occupied Kashmir to discredit Pakistan and stoke anti-Pakistan feelings among the Kashmiris. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has deplored that instead of providing employment to the people in occupied Kashmir, Narendra Modi-led Indian government is resorting to the dismissal of the employees from their services. According to Kashmir Media Service, Umar Abdullah was reacting to the occupation authorities' decision to remove the government employees. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has expressed serious concern over the ongoing power crisis in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement posted on X, said the authorities have exhibited apathy towards resolving the power crisis in occupied Kashmir. People's Democratic Party and Congress workers protested in Srinagar today against the electricity crisis. According to Kashmir Media Service, PDP leaders and the workers staged a protest demonstration outside the party office in Srinagar.